A shocking report has recently come forward that an FIR has been filed against a popular face of Indian TV actress. Well, the actress is none other than Gauhar Khan, who is facing a great legal trouble now. As per the recent reports, on Monday, Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation filed an FIR against the actress. But what did the actress do that BMC took such a huge step? Well, if the reports are to be believed, then Gauhar Khan has broken the laws during this pandemic. It is reported that the actress tested positive for COVID-19 and was advised to stay under quarantine. But Gauhar Khan has broken the law, and in spite of testing positive, she went outside to shoot for her project. A BMC officer has recently revealed to Indian Express that BMC officials went to her residence. But when no one opened the door, the officers came to know that she went out to shoot her film. That is when the BMC officers approached the Oshiwara police station to file FIR against Gauhar. Another BMC official has revealed that they have received a complaint that Gauhar did not stay under quarantine after testing positive. The official added that when they called the actress, she returned home then. It is reported by BMC officials that the actress told them about testing negative recently. The official revealed that she did not behave like a responsible citizen as the protocols did not work like that. They even told Gauhar Khan that her behavior is considered as non-cooperative one, which is why they filed an FIR. An FIR got filed at the Oshiwara police station against the actress for violating rules under several sections of IPC. Do you think Gauhar Khan should get arrested for what she has done? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.